Does ClickFunnels take the place of my website? No. ClickFunnels is really, really good at getting people to, so it's called a funnel because you're trying to funnel people in a certain direction, right? So like the difference with your website is your website, like you get to the homepage and then there's navigation at the top and there's like about us and practice areas and contact us and our awards and our settlements and all that stuff. And then you got content on the homepage and you got all these different things and there's a phone number, there's somewhere they can enter their email address to maybe or fill out a contact form. There's so many different things on a website, right? So when you go to a website, it can really be kind of a fact-finding journey. ClickFunnels and funnel software is designed for one specific thing. Like on a ClickFunnels page, if you go to any of my pages, like if you go to my book page where it's freebookforlawyers.com, or if you go to my the thing I was talking about before, heylawyers.com, where you can get that free Google My Business course. Those pages are designed to accomplish one goal. And it's to get whatever the person is on the page for. It's trying to get them to accomplish a task. So if you notice that on a lot of pages, like if you go to Amazon, for example, when you're in the shopping cart or the checkout page from Amazon, all the other links go away. The only links that are there for the purpose of getting you to complete the checkout, right? If you're on the Amazon homepage, they've got home and they've got the search box and they've got all this other crap that's everywhere. But once you're in the sales process, they're trying to get you to accomplish that goal. The goal is get you to spend money. So a funnel is designed for that specific purpose as well. We use funnels all the time to get people to download a cheat sheet or get them to, opt into whatever it is. And the reason I use ClickFunnels instead of my website is because I can hyper focus them on a specific task. And then when you have things that you can upsell as well, then ClickFunnels works really well because you can add those upsells too. So you can do the free cheat sheet and then, oh, hey, watch the video training. And then, hey, buy this thing. And then, hey, buy this thing. It's a little different for lawyers, but a lot of lawyers can be creative in figuring out different things that they can sell. Or you can even do promotional materials where they're just paying for the shipping. I do a lot of this stuff. A lot of free plus shipping offers, and it helps liquidate a lot of your costs. So ClickFunnels is different than a website because a website is traditionally more informative, and a funnel is designed to get them to complete a specific task.